Defining correct alignment. A note on anatomical position. This here is the classic anatomical position, and we're using a functional anatomical position. And the difference between the two is the hands. The hands in the classic anatomical position are basically facing us, and in ours, it's facing the body, and this is how we typically walk. Ideal alignment. We have our front view and our side view of the body. In the center of the front view, we have the center line of gravity, which balances the right and left sides of the body. In the side view, we have the center line of gravity balancing the front side of the body and the back side of the body. The load-bearing joints. So we have ankle joints in the front and side view, the knee joints in the front and side view, hip joints, and shoulder joints. This area right here, represented in the front view of the body on the outside, this is a joint here. This is the shoulder joint. The one on the inside right here, this is the functional load-bearing zone. So it's not an actual joint. In the side view, this is the actual joint that we're looking at. From the front view, this is the load-bearing zone. And we're using the load-bearing zone because it's basically centering or close to centering the scapula. And we need to determine the scapular position to be able to balance the arm off of the scapula. So that's why we're using this functional load-bearing zone. Notice that on the front view of the body and the side view of the body, we have this 90-degree angle rule. And this 90-degree angle is based off of the joints being lined up horizontally and vertically, which creates a 90-degree angle. If you don't have this 90 degrees lined up, then the joint is out of its position. Once a joint is out of its position, then all the other joints have to relate to that joint being out of its position. So this ties in with load-bearing and spinal alignment. So if the spinal alignment is off, it's because of the relationship of the other joints. Yes, the spine has specific movements it can do. Yes, the spine is load-bearing, but we're looking at these major load-bearing joints and relating that back to the spine.